Hello future engineers, here is another video in differential calculus, particularly on finding equations of tangents or normals to curves. So these three problems in this video, there are three problems presented, are taken from the book by Love and Rainville on page 60. And these are problems 38 to 40. So for problem 38, find a normal of slope 2 to the ellipse x squared plus 2y squared equals 3. So you may draw the ellipse with semi-major axis on the x-axis, square root of 2, and semi-minor axis 1 on the y-axis, center at the origin. But in this problem, I will not do it. But you can do it as long as you know how to sketch the graph of this ellipse so that you can see the equation of the normals or normal to the curve, to the ellipse. So y prime is 2 and we are looking for the normal, so the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of 2, which is negative 1/2. So let's copy problem 38 and differentiate it with respect to x. So x squared plus 2y squared equals 3, 2x plus 4y y prime equals 0. So simplifying further, this is x plus 2y m equals 0. M is y prime and the slope is, as I said, the negative reciprocal of 2, negative 1/2. So y prime is negative 1/2. So x plus 2y times negative 1/2 equals 0. So that means xt equals yt or yt equals x sub t. Replacing y by y sub t. So substitute into the original equation xt squared plus 2yt, which is x sub t quantity square, equals 3. So that means 3xt squared equals 3, or xt is plus minus 1. So y sub t is also plus minus 1 because y sub t equals x sub t. So we have when xt is positive 1, yt is positive 1. So when xt is negative 1, y sub t, xt2 is negative 1, y sub t2 is also negative 1. And the expected equation of the tangent, rather of the normal of slope 2, because the slope of the normal is 2, is 2x minus y equals 2x sub t minus y sub t. Substitute the first point of tangency 1, 1. So 2x minus y equals 2 times 1 minus 1. So the first normal line is 2x minus y equals positive 1. For the second normal, the second point of tangency, negative 1, negative 1. So 2x minus y equals 2 times negative 1 minus negative 1. So this is 2x minus y equals negative 1 rather. So that's the second normal. Or you may express your final answer as 2x minus y equals plus minus 1. For problem 39, the cubic is y equals x cubed minus 10x minus 7, differentiating with respect to x, y prime equals 3x squared minus 10, and y prime is, because the slope of the normal is negative 1/2, and the negative reciprocal of negative 1/2 is positive 2, so that means y prime is positive 2. So 2 equals 3x squared minus 10. So 12 equals 3x squared, or 4 is x squared. Therefore, x sub t is plus minus 2 after we extract the root of 4. And y sub t is substitute into the original equation when xt1 is positive 2, yt1 is equal to, into this equation, 2 cubed minus 10 times 2. So 2 cubed is 8, minus 10 times 2, negative 12, minus 7, negative 19. When x dito is negative 2, negative 8 plus 20 is 12. 12 minus 7 is positive 5. So x dito negative 2, y dito is positive 5. So the expected equation of the normal, the slope of the normal is negative 1/2, is x plus 2y equals xt plus 2yt. That's the expected equation of the normal. So for the first point of tangent z, 2, negative 19, x plus 2y equals 2 plus 2 times negative 19. So the first normal line is x plus 2y equals negative 36. For the second normal, x plus 2y equals negative 2 minus 2 times 5. Negative 2 plus 2 times 5, rather. So this is x plus 2y equals positive 8. So that's the second normal. Then for problem 40, find a normal of slope 1/3 to the cubic ay square equals x cubed. Differentiating with respect to x, so we have 2ay y prime equals 3x squared. If the slope of the normal is 1/3, the slope of the tangent y prime is the negative reciprocal of 1/3, which is negative 3. So 2ay times negative 3 equals 3x squared. Cancel out 3. So that means y is negative x squared over 2a. Or negative 2ay is x squared, so y is negative x squared over 2a. We substitute the value of y into the original equation. So a times quantity negative x squared over 2a squared equals x cubed. So this becomes x to the fourth, positive x to the fourth over 4a equals x cubed. Cancel out x. So one possible answer is 0. But when x is 0, y is 0 also. But we can cancel x cubed, so that means x is 4a. So ax to the fourth over 4a squared equals x cubed. We cancel out a, so that means x is 4a. xt is 4a. When x sub t is 4a, substitute into this, so yt is negative of quantity 4a squared over 2a, which is negative 16a squared over 2a, so that's negative 8a. Y sub t is negative 8a. The expected equation of the tangent to this cubic, because the slope, the expected equation of the normal line, rather, to this cubic is x minus 3y equals x sub t minus 3 times y sub t. Substitute these coordinates, so x minus 3y equals 4a minus 3 times negative 8a. Combining, so 3x minus 3y equals 28a. So that's the equation of the normal line. So that's it for this video.